So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works. Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to get rich on the game Car Parking Multiplayer. So this works in 2026. So this gives you unlimited money. So as you can see, I've only got 24,000 money and then 2,000 coins. But if I press this button, I can actually add free coins and money. So let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, guys, this is what we got right now. It's not increasing, but hopefully it does start increasing. So let's see if anything changes, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So as you can see, guys, this is going up. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this 2026. So let's just wait for it to max out, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this. But yeah, this is super cool. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, guys, is go to the browser, and we're just going to type in tweakmod.com. So let me just type this in. This website has a ton of modded apps and stuff. So once you're there, just type in Car Parking Multiplayer, press install. Before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. And then we're going to have the free money in Car Parking Multiplayer, guys. So let's just give it a second for this to load here, as you can see. So it's loading up right now. So I basically just got to download like 2 of these apps. Doesn't really matter which ones you do. And then you're going to be rich. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. And it's basically just going to say like missing files. So you just want to pick 2 of these apps, download them and run them. So for instance, we got Travel Town, which says down to reach level 9. So just press continue. Takes me to the app store, download it, play it till I'm level 9, bro. It's not very confusing. But obviously, guys, not everyone's going to play the games. So if you're not involved in the gaming scene, maybe you can do a different one. So we got like TikTok, Mode Casino. This one says install the app and open it. So just do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. So that's how I get rich on Car Parking Multiplayer 2026. But yeah, they got the video here you can watch. So if you guys are really depressed and like can't understand me, just watch the video. But this fully works, guys. So there's the website, tweakmod.com. So be sure to try us out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, I mean, if you want to get money in this game, this is the new method, bro. This is the real method. So as you can see, there is the money, guys. That is so cool. So show me the money, bro. This actually works. But I'm going to see you guys in another one. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to get free money in Car Parking Multiplayer, this is how to do it, guys. So it's super cool.